So I'm going to show you how to make a web page using pen.io. So I use that to make just a basic landing page with all my links there. So it's a really basic web page. Use Markdown to do this, and the best way to probably write your Markdown is using an online Markdown editor, or you can download some sort of Markdown word processor like Typora or Markdown Ghost or something like that. I think that's what it's called. That's what I use at least. So for pen.io, it appears to still be working. A couple of months ago, it didn't seem like it was working anymore, and now it's back up, even though it's on an unsecure connection. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but we're going to see if it still works. So we're going to enter a name for our page, and this is what is going to be in the top. So I had bestjulia.pen.io, and this is what the name of the page, this is what it's going to be. So let's do Best Julia Art. Let's even add a dash in there. Best Julia -art. Password. This is for editing, so you're going to keep it. Do whatever. So you hit create page. You need to go through the verification. Okay, so my page. So we're going to add our title that appears at the top. I'll kind of show you what it looks like. So now this is the part that you can mess up with because you have to use Markdown. So instead of just typing in here, you're going to go to one of these. Really does not matter at all. Depends on what you like the most. I just looked up Markdown editor. I want to show some of my art, so I'm going to put illustration. Now I want that to be big, so is it asterisks? I forget. No, it's pound signs. And you can find all this stuff. If you just look up a cheat sheet for Markdown syntax, you can find out how to do headings and all this stuff. But I think the main one was the image. So I want to have an image. So you start off with the brackets and then the parentheses. I'm going to upload a picture of a dog. You can use any sort of file upload like Imgur or something. I like using speech. So I'm going to upload this dog, Poppy head. So my link here, and paste the link into the parentheses. The direct link, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so you're going to take the direct link, which you probably already know how to do that, but I just want to make sure I'm thorough here. Got rid of that parenthesis. Let's put that parenthesis back. Okay, and there we go. It uploads a photo. Okay, so this should work for GIFs as well. For videos, you really can't do videos, unfortunately. As you can see, the most you can do is with a GIF, with a link. These videos here, the only way I can get videos is if I put a link to the video on a picture. So I can log in to my page. Okay, so you can kind of see what my page looks like. It got kind of convoluted with the tables. It is kind of confusing. If you want to have a pop-up, so let me show you here. The pop-up, so say I go over here, that little text there that pops up, You can create that by putting after your link here, putting a space, and then in quotes putting the text that you want. The way I would do that is I would say, okay, so if I want someone to pop up with this dog, I would go quote, put some quotations in there, and then inside I would put a cute pupper, and that would pop up when I hovered my mouse over it. If I wanted to create a link to something on the video or on the picture like these, let's take a look. To put a link inside of a link, basically, and see if it does that. So the hash, and then let's just do the image link. So I want my picture of the dog to go to bestjulia.com, and then I want the link, instead of just being Best Julia, as you can see here, I want it to be the image. So we put the image link in, put the dog, and then we choose some text like dog. Now that goes there. Okay, so we verified that it works. Now we're going to go to the page, and we're going to copy that in and hit publish. And now it's up. So let me just, oh, yep. So it goes to the right spot. And then if you want to change it, you go to your edit page, and you may have to put in your password. But that should be how to do the basic things, how to use this website. So, hope that helps. And if you have any questions about anything, just let me know, and I can try and make something better or something added on to this. So, there you go.